Hey everyone, friends, on the Weller channel. Today I'll show you what to do if the Instagram Live button isn't showing up. But first, you need to understand that you must have 1,000 followers. So if you have less than 1,000 followers, your account can't go live. There. So if you're sure you meet that requirement, then go to the three dots, scroll down, tap on Account Type and Tools, and tap on the Live button. And here you'll be able to start a live stream even if the button is missing from the create post section here, and so on. See the live option? There. If it's still not there, try reinstalling Instagram or updating it. To update it, just go to the App Store, find it there, or in the Play Store, and tap the update button. That's it. This was Weller. See you all later.